Hey everyone, this is Arun and I'm back with another video today here. So today in this video, I'm going you to provide an invoice system where we can add items in this invoice automatically, and we can add, delete and print the items, the invoice automatically. So let me showcase you how this invoice will works. So this is the template that I've added, and here we can customize this template as per our needs. So this is a common template where this one is the address line 1, 2, and 3. And then these all are the details to which we need to pay for. And these are the descriptions, quantity, then unit price for that invoice. Total price is automated, so we have formulas over here, and this one is the grand total is also based on formulas. So to add the items, let me showcase you how to add the items. So I have created a list of product descriptions and the quantity, and then I set the unit price for each item separately. Now to add the item, let's say I want to add item number 4. So I'm just selecting this add from the drop down. Now I got a message that item has been to the invoice successfully. I'm clicking on OK. I'm going to the invoice, and then this item number 4 has been added over here. So similarly, I can add as much as items in this invoice. Let me showcase you add another item. I'm adding item number 12 now, so it's very easy. Adding here, item added to the invoice successfully. And as we can see here, item number 12 has been added over here. So total price is quantity multiplied by the unit price, that is 2 into 59, that is 118. And this one is the total price. Now let's say by mistakenly I added the item number 12. So I have a button, we can click on this button. Now script is running and it will ask me which row I need to delete. So item number 12 is on row number 20. I'm just pressing 20, clicking on OK. Perfect. 20 has been deleted. So now this is the invoice. Now let's say I need to print out this invoice. I'm just simply clicking on this print button. So this PDF has been saved to my Google Drive. Let me showcase you my Google Drive. So here, this is the PDF file folders. So here's the invoice that has been generated. I'm just previewing it. So this is our invoice. As we can see here, it's perfectly aligned with that Google Sheet. So we can edit these items. So I'm just making one more invoice now. Let's say I'm adding item number 12. I think, yeah, item number 12. Yeah. So let's add this item as well. Okay, it's been added. Now we can see here on row number 20, it's been added here. Now I'm just printing again this invoice, and it's saying we can download the file from here. So I think this one is the newer one with preview. No, this is not this one. Preview. Yes. So this is the item number 12, and the price is 1752 invoice price. So yeah, in this way we can just make the invoices. So you can just, for this invoice, to get this invoice, you can just reach me out or my WhatsApp or my email address for some customization. So you require the same invoice. So thank you for watching this video and have a great day. I will be sharing all the details in the description part of this video. You can easily reach me out. So have a nice day and take care. Bye.